If and C, as well as other languages, follows the concept of doing something if a condition is true. Let's check if a given value is positive. We'll have an integer variable x that equals 5. If x is greater than 0, then we'll print out that it's positive. There you see the do something if a condition is true in action. The other thing you'll notice is that the code in the parentheses of the if statement is a condition. That will always be the case. It won't quite evaluate to true or false like modern languages, but these conditions should always evaluate to 0 or 1. 0 being the numeric equivalent to false, and 1 being the numeric equivalent to true. I have one more thing to add on here. Technically, these curly braces before and after printing out positive are optional, because you only have a single line inside your if statement. I would strongly caution against removing them, though. Say if you modify this code later and want to have an isPositive variable that keeps a record of whether or not the variable you're checking is positive or not. If you have the curly braces removed, then add a second line after print to set isPositive to 1, meaning it is positive, then you've just made yourself a hard to track down bug. Although you've given yourself the illusion of isPositive only being set to 1 if x is greater than 0 with the code indentation, the truth is, without the curly braces, setting isPositive to 1 acts like code that's written after the if statement. That means the isPositive is always set to 1, regardless of whether or not x is actually positive. Do yourself a favor and never omit the curly braces when you only have a single line if. Like to learn more.